Okay, so today I'm gonna try and show you how to do how to braid some garlic. Please bear with me as I try to set up the camera so it won't fall on my head. Anyway, so this garlic's been sitting in here in this greenhouse for maybe about a week and a half. Not quite a week and a half. And so the stems are very pliable still. You know, you can kind of see, I hope that, you know, the inner leaves are still kind of green. And, let's see. So there's, oh, there we go. So even like the ones that are hard-necked, or should I say that developed a flower stem, they're still pretty flexible. This is a good one. Oh, here we go. Oh, this is perfect. So, yeah, so this one is still flexible. Hard neck, but it's pliable because it's only been a little while since it was harvested. So I'm just going to start off with 3. I could tie them, but I'm just going to start braiding them. I think probably tying is a good way to, mosquitoes in here. Secure the garlic so that it won't come apart too easily. But I'm just gonna braid it. Like normally would. What's wrong with me? I can't get this right. So let's see. Alright, so just starting a couple of turns on the braid. Just a normal braid. And then I'm gonna add excuse me, I'm gonna add 1. Make a full turn and then add another one. Let's see. Okay, another turn. You can see it's kind of coming together. Excuse me. And, you know, obviously, as you add more garlic, the leaves are going to start kind of getting in the way, but, you know, you just kind of keep weaving them in, weaving them out, weaving them through. And then after a time, you can even add like 2 at a time, because, you know, they start to get a little bit too far apart. But anyway, this is about as big as I like to make them. Because, you know, sometimes I like to give away a bunch. And I never know which one I want to give away. You know, if I have a lot of garlic, or for somebody that I really want to repay a favor to, I mean, you know, fresh garlic to me is like primo kind of gift. So, you know, I'm not gonna give them a lot, but I am gonna give them a good bag. So this might be a good bag to give away if I was to choose to do that. I have a fair amount of garlic this year. And then what I like to do is just tie this have to get a string and tie. I don't have a string right now. No, I don't have a string. So I'm just gonna do like this for now. Just sort of tuck it in. And there you have it. Just tuck it into itself. And this will look very nice hanging in the kitchen. Or wherever you choose to put it. So, as you can see, I still have a good amount. I just collected these not yesterday, the day before. So these still have very green stems. But anyway, I kept them on this end so that I know what those are. But anyway, yeah, so I'm still very pleased. You know, after I harvested them, you can really get a good look at what you got. You know, because now they're a little shrunken. And when I first collected them, I have to admit that I was feeling a little bit down because I thought, oh, you know, these heads aren't as big as last year's, but honestly, they're only just maybe slightly smaller than last year. Like this one here is a good size. And I have quite a few that are good size. This one here got pierced. I think it's only one of the cloves. Excuse me. So, if you're going to use that, you can use that like immediately. I would probably like cook maybe like a stew if I'm going to cook a stew or something like that. Just wash out that dirt, cut the dirt out. That's still good eating. Because that's a good big clove. Now if I'm just going to pick it out, stick that in my pocket so I can maybe use it tonight. Anyway, excuse me, I worked yesterday to get a good amount of the plants out of the greenhouse. As you can see, I almost have nothing here. These are just plants that I probably could prick out. This is collard greens, Siberian kale, and broccoli. I might still prick some broccoli out of here. I don't know. This kale looks good. It's still very thin and small, but it looks good. And I think I have enough collard greens. So I don't know what I'm going to do with this. Maybe I'll just cut the little leaves off and cook it up. Make a quick little stir fry or something. Because I certainly don't want any of that good stuff to go to waste. And here's some more Siberian kale, which I'm not really sure where I'm planting this. This I'm going to plant today at the 4th Street garden. I'm going to plant these in between the cabbages. And there's some more tomatoes, which, geez Louise, I don't know where I'm going to put that. And these are tall marigolds, which are going to go between the cabbages so that, you know, they can sort of grow in between and get sun. Whereas these are smaller ones, which only grow maybe 5 inches, 6 inches. And these will go probably around a bed across the street, one of the boxes. We'll see how it goes. I like to plant marigolds with the brassicas to help with I guess deterring pests. I'm not really sure how well it works. I think it does work, but you know, I don't have any quantifiable way to show how it does or doesn't. But anyway, so that's what I'm going to do today. Hopefully I'll get a lot of things done. We had a really nice rain last night. Amazing. Excuse me. Apparently, this is how much rain came down. Ooh, Journey's fighting. So yeah, I think Houston's washed out, and Pennsylvania's washed out. There's, the streets are rivers now. So that's the rain that came our way. We didn't get rivers of rain, but we got a lot of rain. So, and everything is, it's still morning, so everything is fragrant and pretty and dewy. The poppies are looking amazing. Look at those pretty things. This one's just unfurling. Sweetness. Excuse me. And I have some black raspberries ripening up on me, which I need to, where are they? I need to harvest those soon. Where are they? You can kind of see, well, I don't know if you can see them. Let's see if I can get in there. You can kind of see, you can see the red. Right beneath it there's some black ones which you can't really see for whatever silly reason. I feel like, there you go. Can you see them? Whatever. So, like I said, I gotta get out of here. I gotta get some things done. Everything's looking just so amazing. I love it when we have a nice rain. Everything just looks so beautiful and fragrant. Ooh, that's nice. Excuse me. Lovely. This is Journey's rival. He doesn't have a name. He's been abandoned. We feed him sometimes. The landlord likes him. Amazing, right? He won't let me water the plants, but he feeds the cats. Weirdo. Alright, so I'm getting out of here. Maybe I'll show you what else I do today.